You know what we're gonna do?
What?
This one is gonna make a giant rainbow fizz explosion. It's gonna make a huge mess. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you how to do it. Alright, first thing, we've got to put just a little bit of baking soda onto each one of these little trays, like that. Just like this, and like that. Okay, now, we've got the food coloring here. You want to take this one?
Yeah.
You're going to put this one, just a few drops, onto the purple tray. Purple tray. Yeah, just like that. I'm going to put a few drops of the red onto this red one, like this. Ew. And then, this one here, but it's okay, it's going to go onto this yellow tray, right here. Oh, just like that. Now, we've got to use this one to mix it all together. Now, we're going to drop just a little bit of each one of these things into that container. Let's do the red one first. Scoop this stuff out. I'm going to drop it in over there, over on there. Now, we want to make sure that there's a lot of foam coming out of there. So, before we add the vinegar to the mixture, we've got to also add a whole bunch of dish soap. Let's take this off. Ready? Can you put the dish soap in there?
Yeah.
All right, ready? And squeeze it in. Whoa, it's making it kind of blue. Look at it go. You think that's enough? Not yet, we gotta keep going. All right, here we go, that's good. All right, we're gonna put the cap on here. We're gonna make a giant eruption. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Your multicolored CO2 explosion. You ready?
Yeah.
Set, go! Whoa! It's foaming! It's making so much foam! It's coming out the top! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Wow!